Hello again. This time we will talk about deployment and maintenance in SSADM.
SSADM is a formal open methodology used by the government, private sector, and educational institutions primarily for IT development projects. This methodology does not address areas beyond analysis and design. Therefore, no deployment or implementation is catered for. Launched in 1981, SSADM has been updated and is still in use today. It is an excellent way for developing projects and it's not considered a de facto standard. An SSADM project goes from investigation to construction under the influence of the client organizational structure, along with their internal policy and producers. During this development cycle, decisions are made through the decision structure layer.
Development. During the development part of the project, there are several activities which are occurring. Development is then all of the activities that make a software system available for use. The general deployment process consists of several interrelated activities with possible transition between them. The activities list is shown on the screen on the right now. Since the SSADM does not include the development part, it is up to each developer what kind of techniques or tools are used for the deployment part.
Since there are no recommended tools for SSADM, we have picked one, the IceFlow. It is a cloud-based software as a service that enables provisioning, build and release of multi-tiered applications. The model-driven approach to managing environments and applications enables teams to coordinate multiple pipelines and release across hybrid infrastructure in a predictable and auditable way. Current users are Royal Bank of Scotland, Tesco Bank, IBM, and a lot of other banks in Europe. It has won 3 awards.
Maintenance. SSADM covers most of the system's life cycles from feasibility study to systems design. It assumes that the strategy planning will be carried out before the SSADM project is undertaken. Core SSADM is not explicitly intended for use in the maintenance phase. However, it does make maintenance easier by providing accurate documentation of the system's operations, which can be used in the basis for the design of the future enhancements using SSADM techniques. It is also claimed that the structured methods reduce the cost of the system, but it must be stressed that this is over the entire life cycle and not just the analysis and design phases. It is precisely because more effort is spent during the analysis and design that the resulting system should require less maintenance due to higher quality, greater flexibility, and fewer errors.
Overall disadvantages of SSADM. It has a long development time because every stage must be completed before moving on to the next stage. It costs time and money. Organizations must have a large resource. Lack of user involvement in the most of the stages. It's not flexible. Does not cover whole development life cycle. Testing part is pretty weak. If there is a misunderstanding, have to fix the whole stage.
One advantage of using SSADM is its use of the 3 techniques to determine information systems viability. Logical data modeling determines the entities. Entity event view documents how events within the business affect the entities of the information system. When these 3 methodologies and viewpoints are provided, the model is more accurate and complete. Such deep
created using Powtoon.